Hopefully y'all remember this thing from, crap, what was it, like a year ago or whatever?
Probably about 4 months, 6 months.
Well, this thing basically sat in there ever since then with basically a blown clutch, seized rear bearings, and this thing is beyond cold. It is, yeah, it basically just wouldn't go through the mud pit at speed, so we parked it and brought it back here, and it's been sitting ever since. So yeah, this is the cold start of the beast. Let's see if you can get a quality product. How old is the gas in that? Piss yellow. That's like when you take a vitamin and then take a piss an hour later. It's that bright yellow. The amount of octane that thing is getting is horrible. It smells like ether. Still won't do a wheelie. Well, people, you can get a quality product for what, $300-400 bucks?